What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at some more models from the brand Era Car. I guess this will be my final Era Car haul. You know, when it comes to premium diecast, I'm focused on the brand Mini GT and I will stick to that. But this brand here has kind of an interesting approach in doing these 1/64 scale models. So I bought these because they were on sale and I paid around €8 for each of these models, which is a fair price in my opinion. Okay, so when I say interesting approach, what does that mean? So let's take a look at our first model, which is this guy here. This is the Suzuki Every, kind of a mini van or K van. And here it is. So what makes this brand special? We get a metal body, a plastic base, rubber tires, and normally these Era Car models come with opening parts, as you can see here. This guy here has an opening rear liftgate, which is kind of cool. And some of these models, and that is really special, come with kind of accessories. Let's put our hand a little bit in the back. As you can see, it comes with a branded, I guess you can't call this a cage, it's kind of a transport box for animals. And although on the car we see two dogs, they're called Lego and Cookie. And yeah, we have a little cat, which is yeah, kind of interesting, kind of a neat approach in my opinion. And yeah, the whole deco on this thing is something you won't see from a brand like Mini GT. So this is, I think it's just kind of funny. It's kind of a, at least from a European side, a funny car, such a small van. I guess you can call this a K van. So, you know, there's this special category of cars in Japan that are limited when it comes to the engine specifications and the measures of the car. So you have to pay lower taxes and not that much insurance. But this is kind of cool. I really like how they do this. Okay, so yeah, the animal rescue Suzuki Every comes into the parking lot. And we go on with the next one here, which is this guy. It's basically the same type of car. Once again, Suzuki Every. As you can see, this one is numbered. I don't know when they put numbers on these models and when not. Guess this is kind of a special edition. I don't know, to be honest with you. So this is number 88. Once again, Suzuki Every van. And this time, this is an ambulance. Hong Kong Mini Ambulance. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, we have some differences. This one has two light bars on top. Yeah, different livery for sure. And we have this part here on the windshield. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not exactly sure what this is for. I don't think it's a mirror because it doesn't make sense. Maybe it's a kind of a light or something. I'm not really sure. And yeah, we also get an opening lift gate, and this guy here also comes with a little accessory part, and here it is. So we get a stretcher with this model. And yeah, it's a little bit, these models are a little bit odd, but I mean, yeah, I kind of like them. It's a neat approach. So yeah, into the parking lot it goes. And yeah, we got a third Suzuki Every. This time it's a Hong Kong Fire minivan, which is also pretty cool. So yeah, they got a lot of different versions of the Suzuki Every and yeah, other minivans. Yeah, this is how they do it. Kind of cool. So let's put this in the background. Oops. There we go. There's our Fire minivan. Also looks really good. Guess what? This one also has an opening rear liftgate, and yeah, this one doesn't come with additional accessories. As you can see here in the back, yeah, there's some room where you can store all your stuff that you need as a firefighter. This one has a little bit different light bars. And yeah, I like the details on these models. I hope you can see it here on the light bar. It's saying there's a little print saying fire. Hope I'm right. Yeah, so get the lensed headlights, by the way. License plate. So this one is also really cool. I think they look pretty good on display. Okay, then we go on with another casting, which is yeah, one of my favorite cars. It's the Suzuki Jimny. This is the Suzuki Jimny Sierra Chocolate Happy 50th Anniversary Edition. And yeah, I was kind of surprised when I opened this because it wasn't what I expected. So, oh, by the way, I think, oh no, this belongs to another car. So there we go. Here's our Suzuki Jimny Sierra Chocolate. And as you can see, the interior or the windows are completely blacked out, and when I saw the packaging, I thought this was kind of a weathered version, you know. But I just don't know what. As you can see, it doesn't have headlights. There are also brown plastic pieces like the windows. No idea what's up with this edition. It looks kind of strange. It also comes with the brown rims, by the way. This one, like all the other Jimneys, has an opening hood. Don't have any details inside the engine. Yeah. This is yeah, kind of strange. So let's put this guy into the parking lot. But wasn't the last strange model. As you can see here, this one comes with a completely different style of packaging, and I think this was the most expensive one of these. I think I paid 10 euros for this guy, and yeah, I was really excited what's inside this huge box. So yeah, first of all, there is our Jimny, this time in blue. We get regular lensed headlights and this flashy little graphic on the side. Pretty nice once again. This one has an opening hood, and there's a little painted detail here in our engine, which is pretty nice. And now I guess you're really excited for our outdoor parts, how they call it. But all there was in this packaging was this thing here. So it's a kind of a tent that you can attach to the model. You put it here on the roof. So yeah, there we go. So that's it. That's what you get. I think it's and this is completely plastic, by the way. I think on screen could look like metal, but it's complete plastic. So yeah, it's kind of funny because I expected something kind of special, but yeah, this is what we got. Was inside here. So okay, we do have another one of these Jimneys, This one came in this fancy packaging saying Suzuki Jimny Sierra Heritage Style with Era Duck Lunar New Year Edition. So yeah, what did we get there? There we go. It's this guy here. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. It's a pretty nice color, kind of a candy apple red with some metallic flakes. Looks really good. And this duck here on top. So this whole roof rack is an additional part, and you can detach the duck and this roof rack. It's not really, stable, but yeah. By the way, this one also for sure has an opening hood. So there we go. Small painted detail inside there. Yeah, pretty nice. Like all of the others, comes with a spare tire in the back. Really nice. Let's put this in the background. And our last one for today is this guy here, number 16, the Mercedes-Benz Vito Hong Kong Police Dog Unit car in patrol mode. So here is our model. This is kind of heavy, especially in comparison to the other era car models. Comes with 2 light bars on top. Once again, take a look at the nice details also here on the light bar. It's saying police. Also on the back. It's a pretty nice model. This one here comes with 2 opening parts. I mean, you can decide yourself. It does make sense or not. So we can doesn't stay open. You can open the rear lift gate. I hope you can see it. There we go. Unfortunately, yeah, it doesn't stay open. And you also can open the hood. I mean, let's be honest, it doesn't, I mean, there are some opening parts, in my opinion, that really don't make sense. Like on this guy here, it doesn't open too far and you can't see anything. So why do you need this opening part? But anyways, maybe some people like it. But this one here, saying police dog unit, guess what? Came also with some accessories. This little box and yes, a dog. Looks a little bit like a German Shepherd. I don't know. Yeah, so once again, kind of an interesting brand in my opinion. If you like stuff that is a little bit odd, I guess you're completely right when buying some models of this brand. Let's bring them a little closer. You know, I always pick a favorite, and I guess it's the ambulance version of the Suzuki Every. Pretty nice. I also like the stretcher that comes with it. Nice deco. Yeah, it's something different, and yeah, we'll get a nice place on my display. And with that said, we're done for today. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.